Guys, hope you're well. In this video today, I want to show you how to use our ThriveCart integration and how to send the orders from ThriveCart to your Moosend, as some of you asked. Also, I'll be explaining what are complex fields in SynSpider and what is the proper way to use it. I understand that this could be a bit confusing. So let us move on to it. First of all, let us create a task. We're choosing ThriveCart. To integrate ThriveCart is quite easy. I'm just naming integration for better handling, and we're notifying you here that you'll see all the further information later. And as I said, we want to choose orders next. And we want to send it to Moosend. I believe I already created a video on how to integrate Moosend, and there is documentation on it, how to integrate the Moosend on our help file. So I'll be just using my already existing Moosend integration. Now here we gave you the information what exactly you need to do. So basically you need to copy this webhook URL and put it to your ThriveCart account. So once you are in your ThriveCart, just go to your profile picture settings, then click on API and webhooks, view settings, and there you need to add a webhook. Just put it here and name it for better organization. I'll name it Alex SynSpider tutorial. And now it's okay. First step is done. Moving on to SynSpider task. We won't be filtering any data. Now, this is where it gets interesting on the mapping screen. So on the right, you'll have, of course, your Moosend data you usually have. And on the left, we are fetching everything that ThriveCart can send you. First, we need to select a constant value. What does this do? So constant value in this case will give us an option to select a list, a mailing list where you want when you want your orders to send, actually the people who order something to be sent. I'll be sending that to my Monobound mailing list. And then we here have some regular fields like an email, then and a name. Here's the name of the user. Okay. And on the right here, you'll have also custom fields. We allow custom fields depending on the target integration or even source integration. So what does the integration you are using allowing you to do? So in custom fields, these are basically the fields that you can use in Moosend. So I'm going to just jump back to my Moosend account. And okay, this is the list I'm using. So it's Monobound list. And I want to go to my custom fields area. And here, I can add as many custom fields I need. This will highly depend on you, what you want to track, what you want to get, but the principle is the same. So for example, I would like to know the order, the tax, or just total order, and also I would like to have customer ID. So just for better organization, I'm going to name that order, and I'm going to put this field as required. Now I'm going to copy this because it's important that in SynSpider you put an exact name like you have in Moosend. This is not just the case with Moosend, but with any other custom fields you might have in any other integration. So I'm just going to pull this constant value here for the group 1 and paste this order, and that's done. So basically now this I need to tell the SynSpider what we want to put to this order field, and we want to put the order total, and we're going to put this under option here. Done. And I also want to put the ID of the user. I'm going to set it as required. Copy it. Then again, I'm going to use constant value on a group 2 here. Let's name it ID. So it's important. So group for the constant value of the target integration, and then underneath you put what you want to put in that field. So where is that ID? Here it is. Mapping it like this. And this is done. Basically now you can do this for any of these values you can get from ThriveCart. But I'm gonna be happy with just 2 of them for an example. Moving next. And I'm gonna start the task. Here you don't see any scheduling because ThriveCart as a source integration will always work on an event. And finished. And let us go to that integration. I'm just going to name it. Okay, that's it. Now, to test the integration, I'm going to go to my ThriveCart account, go to my products. Let's just go to URL, do checkout page, and since tutorial@mail.com. I'm going to complete the order. And that's it. Now let's see, has the SynSpider catch that? Yes, it caught it automatically. Now this is not a manual trigger, it should be automatic. This is also for something for our developers to change. But let us see what happened in Moosend. Let us go to our list. And here it is, SynSpider tutorial. You'll have an ID, order, because it was 0, it's 0. And that's it. So basically we have the custom fields we wanted. We have the members email, and we don't have a name because I never inputted the name during the checkout in ThriveCart. Hope this is helpful. Let me know if I need to clarify something. And that's it. See you in the next video. Thank you.